So this is a real interesting question. How do you change the mindset of a day trader to a swing trader? And it's interesting because I've recently done something very similar myself, where I was focused very much on short-term swing trading, and I've now given that up to do more intermediate term swing trading where I'm holding for several weeks, several months, and day trading. And the way to start to shift this mindset is to start with why. Why do you want to make this shift? Is it to suit your personality? Did you have some kind of a discovery? Did your lifestyle change, right? For me, the reason why I'm doing it is because I wanted to be able to focus more on my business. I wanted to focus more on helping traders. Making videos like this is a big part of it. And if I needed to be involved in a trade in the middle of the day where an alert might go off on an hourly chart or on a 2-hour chart, and I've got to stop the video, go start trading like that, that just doesn't work for this kind of business that I'm trying to build. Right, so I have a powerful why. It's to serve. It's to serve you guys. So if you have a powerful why for why you would want to stop day trading and start swing trading, right? Like maybe you want to be less involved intensely at a certain period of time, and you want to be able to step away from the computer a lot more, right? Like that could be your why. Great. So now you've got your why. You want to think about what you're aiming to accomplish with this, right? Like, oh, what's the goal that you have? Does this new style suit the goal, right? Because it might suit your trading style or the lifestyle that you're trying to create, but are you still able to hit the financial goal that you're trying to accomplish, right? Because you'll have less turnover in a swing trading account. So are you going to be able to generate the same level of profits with this new strategy? It'll take some testing. You'll need to figure it out. So working through questions like that will go a long way in helping you. But another thing too that's real important is to understand that if you're trading based off of charts, right? And I'm somebody that I scan based off of fundamentals. So I want all the stocks that I'm trading to have a certain fundamental character to them. And then from there, I'm trading them based off of the technicals, based off of the chart. And what you learn to do on one time frame scales to other time frames, right? So if you already know how to analyze intraday charts, you can take that knowledge and apply it on the higher time frames. I do it the other way. I like to do it where I always like to start from the top, right? So I'm starting with monthly charts, then I'm working my way down into weekly charts, and I'm looking at monthly and weekly charts first to understand the character of a stock, what its history has been, what it's capable of doing. Then, when I start to look at the weekly charts, I'm starting to see the base patterns. Is this thing setting up again? Is there opportunity for me? And then down on the daily charts, that's where I'll start to pinpoint my entry point, my stop loss, where my profit targets might be. And if I'm looking at a day trade, then because I'm aware of all those other things first, the entire history of the pattern, I understand price movement, the psychology of the trade, then I could see where it's at, and then go down into those intraday charts, look at a 5-minute chart, look at a 1-minute chart, and then be able to determine, okay, I know where it's going on the higher time frames. Now I can trade it down here intraday and capitalize on those moves too. So all this stuff definitely scales. It transitions from time frames, asset classes, all that stuff. So you're way ahead of the game in being able to do that. The way to be able to shift the mindset is to start with why.